Tired of missing important notifications because your iPhone's sounds are just too quiet? We're going to walk through several ways to crank up those notification volumes, ensuring you never miss an alert. So first, let's make sure your volume is actually turned up. Use the physical volume buttons on the side of your iPhone while you're on the home screen or in an app to increase the ringer and alert volume. You should see a volume slider appear on the screen. If the side buttons aren't working or you want more control, open your Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here, you'll find the ringer and alert slider. Drag the slider to the right to increase the volume. Make sure the Change with Buttons toggle is switched on. This allows you to adjust the ringer and alert volume using the side buttons. Now, let's explore an accessibility feature that can boost certain sounds. Go back to the main settings menu and tap on Accessibility. Scroll down and tap on Audio Visual. Select Headphone Accommodations. Toggle Headphone Accommodations to the on position, then select Vocal Range, which can sometimes amplify mid-range frequencies, including notification sounds. Finally, consider customizing your notification sounds for specific apps in settings greater than notifications. Experiment with different sound options because some are naturally louder than others. By adjusting these settings, you'll be sure to hear every important notification. Now you'll never miss a thing.